Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up classes on your Wix site using Wix Bookings. This is perfect if you're running fitness classes, workshops, or any group sessions where you need to manage multiple participants and schedules. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Catalog and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Booking Services. This is where you'll manage all your bookable services, including the classes we're about to set up. You'll now be directed to the Add a New Service page. This page gives you different templates and starting points for your booking services. Locate the class section, and here you'll see an option that says Start from Scratch. Go ahead and click on this. Starting from scratch gives you full control over customization, allowing you to tailor the class exactly to your needs rather than being restricted by a preset template. Now you're on the service page, where we'll configure all the details for your class. Start by adding a name for your service in the appropriate field. This should be clear and descriptive, so clients know exactly what they're booking. Below that, you can add a tagline and a description. The tagline is a short phrase that captures the essence of your class, while the description gives more detailed information about what participants can expect. Next, set the maximum number of participants for this class. This is important for managing capacity and ensuring you don't overbook. You also have the option to add an image for your class, which helps make it more visually appealing and professional. Moving forward, it's time to set the price and payment options. This section determines how your clients will pay for the class. You'll see options to choose from, including per session, with a plan, or both. Select the one that fits your business model. Then set the price type by clicking on the drop-down menu. Here you can choose between fixed price, free, varied pricing, or custom price. Once you've selected the price type, fill in the amount fields with the service price. After that, set the payment preferences by choosing from the drop-down. This allows you to decide when and how clients pay, whether it's upfront, at the session, or through a recurring plan. Now scroll down to configure the location settings. If you're hosting an in-person class, you can add the physical location here. However, if it's a virtual class, click on the Add button under the video conferencing section. This feature lets you add a Zoom link or a custom URL for your class, making it easy for participants to join online. Continue scrolling down to set a schedule for your class. Click the Add Sessions button to create the specific times and dates when your class will be available. You can set recurring sessions or one-time events depending on your needs. You also have the option to add a booking policy, which might include cancellation rules or rescheduling guidelines. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Save. Your class is now set up and ready to be booked by clients through your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.